Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend and you're keeping safe. So in today's video, I'm going to do this pink glam look with a hint of glitter, which basically looks perfect for any occasion, but it will go really well with your Indian outfits and you can pull this off at any wedding. So if you're new to this channel and you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, my name is Dipakshi. I do beauty and lifestyle content on this channel. It would be really great if you could hit that red button and subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell icon so that you'll get updated whenever I upload another video. I'm sure that you'll have a good time here. So now, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna start my makeup by priming my face using MAC Prep and Prime. Now this is in the shade Pink to Light and it has a very luminous finish. I'm using the spray to prime my face because I need that dewiness to peek through my makeup. So now the next thing that I'm going to use is the Nykaa Prep Me Up. As you can see, this is a very non-greasy lightweight formula which instantly blurs all the pores. It has a silicone texture and it gives a very velvety matte finish to the skin. It also feels really silky smooth and it preps the skin for your makeup. Moving on, I'm going to use the CFH palette and I'm going to use this beige shade for my foundation today. So basically I'm going to use the foundation brush to apply this on my face. As you can see, it is really creamy and it blends to the skin so beautifully. And for blending, I'm using a Kabuki brush, which is a tightly packed bristle brush, which helps the makeup to sink into the skin. Just in case if you guys are wondering, then this Kabuki brush is from Pat Cosmetics. It's really easy to use and it provides a smooth application. It helps in blending the foundation or the concealer so beautifully. Now I'm going to take one shade lighter from the same CFH palette and I'm going to use it as my eye primer. First I'm going to apply it on my eyelids with the foundation brush and then I'm going to blend it through a beauty blender. For eyes, I'm going to use my new nude Huda Beauty palette and I'm going to go with this nude shade first to set my eyelids so that all the other eyeshadows glide above it beautifully. I'm basically taking a flat brush and packing that color on my eyelids. Now next I'm going to take this lilac shade, which is more on the pinkier side, and taking a fluffy brush I'm going to apply it on my crease area. Next I'm going to take this purple shade to deepen the crease area and to provide a little more dimension to it. The best part about this palette is that the eyeshadows layer effortlessly on each other and they provide a dreamy depth and dimension. Next I'm taking this burgundy color and the brown color and I'm layering it on the outer part of the eye. And then I'm going to take this dark brown chocolatey color and applying it on my crease area again to give it a little more dimension. I really want the outer part of this eye to be intense. And then for the inner corner, I'm taking the same burgundy and brown shade and applying it to my inner corner area. For the lid, I'm taking this reflexive shade which has shimmering pearl flexes in it. It's a really gorgeous shade which provides a duochromatic finish and it layers beautifully on the eyes. Again, I'm taking the same burgundy and brown shade and applying it on the lower lash line. I'm joining the same with the eyeshadow look. Now coming back to the face, I'm going to use a concealer to hide my under eye dark circles. And for this, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Now this shade is a little too yellow for me, although I have warm undertone, but still it is a little too yellow. So I'm going to use this shade as a corrector to conceal my under eye dark circles. And it's a really full coverage concealer that lets you hide any blemishes or scars or any hyperpigmentation that you might have on the skin. And next for brightening, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And I'm going to apply it on the usual parts of my face, that is the under eye area and the middle part of the face. It's a really blendable and buildable formula that provides a natural coverage to the skin. I really like this concealer. It has a creamy yet lightweight texture, and I'm blending it with a damp beauty blender. Now after blending all this concealer, I'm going to set my makeup in place using the PAC Cosmetics Compact. It is a finely milled powder that sets the makeup in place. Also, it's a little mattifying, so it is perfect for oily skin tones. Now next I'm going to bring back some color to my face, and for this I'm going to use the Sugar Bronzer. I'm basically going to use this bronzer on the outer perimeters of my face, which is my cheekbones, around my temples and my jawline. This bronzer feels super silky and it blends like an absolute dream. I'm using these pearls as a blusher, and they provide really beautiful natural dewy finish to the skin. These again blend beautifully on the skin, and it has a buildable formula, so you can layer it up, but I'm going to keep it subtle today. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. And I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, as well as a little bit on the chin. Next for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I'm going to coat my upper and lower eyelashes with the same. It's a great mascara, and I've used this mascara in my previous videos as well. It provides great volume and length to the eyelashes, and they look super full even without fake eyelashes. For lips, I'm using the PAC Color Block Long Lasting Lip Liner in the shade Berry Me to line my lips. And then I'm going to use the Urban Color lipstick to fill in my lips. It's a really great creamy formula that's super comfortable on the skin, and it provides matte finish. Lastly, I'm going to set my makeup with the same MAC Fix Plus. And with this, our look is ready. I'm really happy with how the makeup has turned out today, and I really hope that you guys also like the makeup look. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions for me, then please let me know. If you guys recreate this look, then please tag me here or on Instagram. I would really like to see your version of it. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day and a great week. Thanks for tuning in today. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.